Hello, in today's video I'll show you the cleaning suction power modes, how to change between them, and what is the difference on your ROBOROCK Saros Z70. When I go to the vacuum and mop button, or whatever it says in the bottom left corner in your case, you can click on that button. Then you can go to vacuum and mop or vacuum, and these two modes have suction power, right? And when I select vacuum and mop, for example, I have 4 different options. I have the quiet suction power, which is great at night if you want to clean while you're sleeping, because it will just be pretty quiet. You could also set it to balanced, turbo, or max. So feel free to set it to whichever one you'd like. A typical one would be balanced or turbo, depending on whether you have pets or not. But feel free to set it to whatever you want. Then in vacuum you also have the max plus, which will be more power intensive, and it will take more time because it'll have to recharge multiple times. And one more thing is that you can go to the settings in the top right corner, then go to carpet cleaning settings if you have carpets, and then if you have vacuum only set for the carpet, you can select carpet boost, which will increase the suction power to maximum when it gets on a carpet, but I believe it doesn't increase it when it's in quiet mode, but you'd have to test it out. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.